Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major General Dr. Shri Pal, speaking from BUNKERMAN House, D68, east of Kailash, New Delhi. Today we are privileged to have a very old friend of mine, personal friend, and a very renowned personality in Indian Army Military Engineering Services. Dr. Bhattacharya is here today with us. Today we have briefed him about the bunkerman technology. So in this technology, we absorb all type of pollutants from the air, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and all pollutant gases. And we convert these into mineral-rich organic manure. Our concept is to move the pollution from air to soil. And pollution is collected in our filters in such a way that after our filters get saturated, the material provides the nutrients to the trees and plants. So a sustainable cycle which was existing on this planet Earth prior to industrial era, prior to 1900 years, this CO2 level in the environment used to be about 280 parts per million. But after industrialization took place in a very uncontrolled manner throughout the world, then this CO2 level kept on increasing. And today the world level of CO2 has become already 425 parts per million. But in some big cities like Delhi in India, the pollution level is found exceeding 500, 600 parts per million. Today morning we recorded in Delhi, it was around 600 parts per million. Today morning reading in Delhi in east of Kailash area. And what worst thing is happening that fearing from the outside pollution, most of the people are keeping their doors and windows closed, and we are using split air conditioners without providing proper ventilation. And in the houses, in the offices, indoor air becomes more toxic than the outdoor air. You have seen today in this house itself, if we close the doors, the CO2 level rises to more than 1000 parts per million. So we have got this system installed, and our aim is that this technology should be used by each and every countryman of India, whether he is in a house or he is in an office or he is at workplace. And then this technology has to be spread world over because environment is common to all of us. So our aim is to clean this environment, and I am sure with this success of this bunkerman technology, we can not only stop this global warming and climate change, but we can reverse this rising trend of rising pollution and global warming in the world. So now my staff will like to ask your guidance. So we will try to have your views on this technology, sir. Yeah, over to Geetika Gupta.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you have now seen the working of bunkerman technology. We would love to hear your thoughts on it. Could you please share your views? How do you see the global impact of this technology, and why do you think it should be widely adopted, and what key advantages do you foresee in the future?
Yeah, this technology, I heard about it, but I had not gone into that much details which General Shri Pal has explained today. It is amazing. In one sentence, this is a revolutionary thing which is happening, and this is for the mankind, what I have understood. This is not for any individual only. Whole world will be benefited with this technology, and way in which is being commercialized, because this technology, this type of technology must be there outside world also, but commercially not viable. There are a lot of good things happen in life, but this is not commercially viable. This is one technology which is developed by bunkerman. I have understood that this will be the house to house attachment to every house for normal breathing and normal peaceful living, so that we can live longer time. Otherwise, way in which things is going on, most of the people will die in this world with this burden of CO2 and all. I wish all the very best for great success of the great initiative taken by General Shri Pal in his endeavor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable insights. Thank you so much.